Very good afternoon to all. So in the morning lecture, we have discussed about this type of production. We have started, and in detail, we have discussed about the make to stock production. So in this make to stock production, we have discussed about what are the different finished products and immediate inventory we can call it as. Then it ensures the delivery of good quality, reasonable price, off shelf standard product. With several examples we have discussed, then advantage and limitations, then in what situation we will prefer the make to stock production. So when there is a fairly and constant demand, predictable demand, then very few products are there that are also standardized. A shorter delivery time is there, and products are having very high shelf cost. Then we have discussed in detail about this, what is the starting inventory and what is the ending inventory, what is desired ending inventory, and any previous orders that are required to fulfill that are remaining that we have discussed, and then what is total production. Then characteristics of this make to stock production we have discussed. And now let us move further, friends, towards the make to order. So this is the second type we have discussed in detail about the characteristics and different things related to make to stock. So let us have discussion about make to order. So make to order, manufacture products after the receipt of the firm order from the customer. So very first, the order should be with the customer. Then and then only it will be manufactured. The product will not manufactured until and unless order is received. In the last case, no any order. The products are manufactured as per the demand, as per the prediction, as per the forecasting, and then further they are shipped to various, we can say, warehouses, then wholesalers, then retailers, and finally to the consumer. But in this case, first order is required to be given. Then and then only they will be manufactured. So after the receipt of the firm that it is required to manufacture, order is firm, then and then only they will manufacture. Okay. The products are not supplied from the stock. So it is not the case that a lot of stock is already available and just take it and supply it. So it is not under that category. Lead time is long. So what is lead time? So take an example from the start of the any of the product order received up to the order is dispatched in the hands of the customer. Whatever this time is required, it is nothing but the lead time. Nikhil, will you please unmute? Okay. Then further, lead time is long. So we are discussing about the lead time. So what is lead time? When customer will give order that we want this type of product. From that instant, then the company will manufacture, fabricate, and they will go for testing, quality, aesthetic, ergonomics, all things will be there, and finally they will dispatch the product. So what is the time required in that particular region that you can say, or what is the time required for that complete cycle that you can call it as a lead time? Final product is usually made from parts, components already designed, but may include some custom design components. So it is not all at all the time the case that a complete new product will be there. So it may be the assembly of the some parts. So there are already some parts made in available in market. So after receiving the order, that the further accomplish the further assembly of some parts, or I will say assembly. No, I will not say. I will say some of the parts that are readily available in the market in stock that can be consumed. So this is the make to order production. We will take one or two examples in this. So let us take any one example. So let us go to a huge industry. So if any sugar factory want any boiler, so it is not the case that the boilers are available in stock and what you want you purchase, not at all. depending upon the capacity of the steam and the superheat temperature, maybe 500 degree supersaturated temperature of the steam, the capacity 150, etc., or 115, the capacity turn per hour, the capacity as the pressure considered, that what bar or kg per cm square it can give. So these are the different specifications required for that boiler. So it may be from very small size boiler up to a very huge capacity boiler. So these are the different things that required to be understood before giving any of the order to the boiler manufacturing company. So the boilers, take if example, you want to take the boiler from Thermax, you want to take the boilers from Valchanagar Industries Limited, Thyssen Group. There are many different industries available. So you have to identify that which type of boiler, and you will give the complete prescription. Then some negotiation and deal will be there, and your deal will finalize that. At this part, they will be ready to provide you a boiler. So then they will ask you that time. For example, they may say that the company may say that it will take 6 months for complete fabrication, because when you will give order, after that their production starting from plate to shell, and shell to the boiler, and then different drums, lower drum, upper drum, and your different tubings are there, and different then sensors, actuators, and valves, and everything. Many things are there in the boiler assembly. So 6 months is very less time. The boiler may take for 1 year also for complete fabrication. And if you want E&C, erection and commissioning, again it will take more time. So this is not the case that the boilers are available with the company in stock, not at all. So this is a very big product. You take example of this case, some nuclear sector, some of the government sector. This example also we can take. So here you can say, let us take another example. So I will say the example as okay. So let us take another example, that one we have taken boiler. Now I will give you some examples from this particular Valchanagar Industries Limited, where I have worked for years. So here I was there with this particular nuclear power sector, or nuclear sector, I can say, nuclear division. So there are orders received from Nuclear Power Corporation of India Limited, Bhavini, Bhartiya Nabikiya Vidyut Nigam, Bhabha Atomic Research Center. These are the different customers whose orders are there. So if you take consider this order, the order may be the different end shields, or the different support tanks for nuclear submarine, or some other specific parts. So these are all in the custom range. So the customer will decide that what he wants, in what fashion, what are the design specification, and how it is required, what are the performance characteristics, and accordingly the nuclear that component will be manufactured. So this is, you can say, after receipt of firm order. So this I am giving the very, you can say, examples of the big machineries, that one product may take 5 years, 3 years for manufacturing. This is make to order. Now you will say, sir, is it the case that there are some small products also that are make to order? Yes. The products are not supplied in stock, lead time is long, that we have discussed. And now next you can take as the example that it final product is usually made from the parts. So now, for example, any order is given related to this nuclear power, or related to other. If some of the nut bolts are required in that particular case, if some of the other things that are available in market, then in this case, there may be the firm Thermax, maybe Valchanagar, they will not go for this manufacturing and fabrication of this nut and bolt and other things which are already available in the market. So definitely they will take the in stock, and they will use for their further component. Make to order. Next, further we will discuss about this. Make to order is a demand responsive strategy. So there should be demand for that this is required. You will get a firm order that from any of these, that this is requirement from our side, and now you please manufacture. Then and then only the company will manufacture it. Only the product and component design and some standard raw material and components are held in stock. So here you can say the product and component design. and means whatever the previous designs are there for that reference purpose, they may be available with you. And some raw material required, maybe plates, etc. And some of the standard components that are available in stock. So let us have again 2-3 different examples. So custom tailored clothing. So if you are taking, if you are purchasing the your clothes, maybe shirt, trousers from any of the shop or mall directly, so it is make to stock. We will take second example. If you are not purchasing this from direct ready purchase, custom tailored clothing. Now you are visiting to any of the famous tailor, and now you will ask custom tailor, I want this modification, I want this type of color and the buttons and the style of this particular buttons, and how this style should be for pen, and any different embroidery is required to be at the pocket, like this. So these are the custom tailored clothing, and what appearance you want, and how it should look, whether you go for some multicolored combination, so some of the additional strip. Then again you can go for this, I can say, if you are going for a suit or blazer, then in that particular place, your ready-made, there are very less availability, and again fitting there may be a problem, so you can go for custom tailored clothing. So you will give your specification. Very small example I am giving you. Custom tailor, it is not available. So now it is the case that you can take cloth from that particular case, or in Pune now there are many shops available to take cloth from them and they will stitch for you. In our side again, you can go for, you will separately purchase the clothes, and then you will go for this taking, we can say, to your approach to your tailor, and you can proceed further. So this is the custom tailored clothing. I will give, you will give your requirement as per as your clothing is required, and accordingly it will get fabricated. Again, lead time you take. If you visit to any shop, within 1 hour you can purchase n number of shirts, n number of trousers, or whatever you want. But in case of this custom tailored, you will take cloth and then you will give for that tailoring, and then it he or she may take 8 days, 7 days, 10 days, or more than that. This is one of the example of this make to order. Special purpose machinery, one of the another example. So whatever standard machinery is available, you don't want it. You want to go for some, I can say, SPM. So you want a milling machine, in that you want gear arrangement attached. It should be drilled also, separate attachment, and at the same time you want grinding also, so grinding wheel attachment. So this is not combination available in the market as a standard product. So now you will go and you will ask any particular company who is manufacturing that I want, these are the specification, and this is this type of job. If you are having your order of job, maybe in that 1 lakh component per month. So like that. So now you go for, let us, I will go for an SPM, special purpose machine, and then you will give your requirement that you want like this, you want like that, and then further it is getting manufactured. And product made to customer specification. Let us have some another example. So this is the example from civil area. So if you want to go for building your own house, you are having some, I can say, some land, and now you will go for, then there are different approaches. You will go to any architect or any developer builder, and you will ask that I want this, and then he will suggest plan, what, how many rooms you want at the ground floor, do you want to go for any, then what are the rules and restrictions in that particular area as per as the number of floors are considered, and accordingly you will decide that first floor, or I want this as ground floor, then some garden and some parking, and then on the second floor I want this type, and again you can say that on the top floor I want a swimming pool. Why you can go for this? Because it is make to order. You are giving the order, and accordingly you are getting it manufactured. So I will say here, you are getting your home built as per your requirement, customer specification. So what are the standard terms in that civil engineering that he will use? But plan according to your case. Again, nowadays in many of the cities, whatever the apartments are there, so they are also custom design. If you book your flat, Then some of the things are standard from the that particular promoters and builders, and remaining are flexible. So he will ask you that where you want this, or you want this, or you want to go for this type of design, and this is the kitchen table, and these are the facilities available. So what facility you want to have in your particular. So this is again custom design. So not you will use suggestion and then it will manufacture. Very expensive products are usually made to order. So whatever I have given example, if you take example of any of the case, they are expensive. So as per as the home building and the special purpose machines are there expensive. Again, you take examples of some of the new boilers or nuclear products make to order, they are expensive. If you take the custom tailored clothing also, then as compared to ready-made which are available in market, definitely taking the cloths and complete tailoring, stitching, whatever the you have to give, then if you go for that tailor's fee as well as the cloth, definitely it will be more expensive than whatever available ready-made. So generally you can say that make to order the products are very much costly. In what situations make to order production is preferred? Very first, the products are manufactured to customer specification. In make to stock, there is no any chance that customer will give feedback and then the further things are modified in it. So whenever the products are being, any product is being manufactured by the customer specification, then you can call this as make to order production. You can call it as make to order production. Customer can wait till order is being processed. So here longer delivery schedule is there. So the customer has to wait when the order will process, and if at the end of this order the customer will get in hand that whatever product is required. Product is non-standard and expensive to store. Definitely product is non-standard. Here it is not the case that the same type 100 500 pieces are made. Let it be tailoring, let it be boilers. So the products are, let it be any nuclear component, the products are very specific, non-standard. Non-standard means they are having standard as per as their own quantity is concerned, but non-standard means the now whatever pressure vessel is required or boiler is required for one sugar factory, it may not be required for other sugar factory, and at the same boiler is the requirement for any cement plant, any food processing industry, or any other firm may be different. So the boiler is same, but the requirements are different. So it is not the case that one whatever boiler specification is there, manufacture 10 boilers and then we will sell it. No, it will not work. So therefore it is mentioned that non-standard and expensive. Expensive to store. So this make to order, they are very expensive to store. They are not, they will not stored. After manufacturing, immediately they will be dispatched to the customer. And when there are several options available to store. So these are the some of the situations where make to order production is preferred. Now let us discuss the characteristics of make to order production. One by one we will go for these characteristics. So there is direct interaction with the customer during all the stages, but it is extensive during engineering. So there is direct interaction with the customer. See, for example, let us take any boiler order is given, direct interaction. Any nuclear power corporation, they want any support tank. Support tank is one of the component required to be fitted in the nuclear submarine. So first nuclear submarine launch in maybe 2007 or 2008, that Arihant. So you just Google it, you will get that this Arihant submarine, there are support tanks located in this nuclear submarine. So this is just I'm for your example. So like these different parts are there. So direct interaction will be there. You take your tailor-made shootings, direct interaction of that person with the tailor. Any of the case where there is a make to order. If you are giving some order as price, you want to bring some furniture, and again you don't want ready-made furniture. So there are these two types, make to order and make to stock, but stock also very less. So generally people prefer this make to order. So whatever your dimensions of your home and in what area you want to go for the furniture, and then what quality of wood is required accordingly, that make to order. That person will give make your furniture, make the furniture for you. So this is the direct interaction of the customer during all the stages, but it is extensive during the engineering phase. Engineering phase varies at the start. So whenever any boiler order is given, so what are the specification, what are the design? So that any company, for example, Valchanagar is having one boiler order from one of the sugar industry. Then Valchanagar will prepare the drawing and they will send it to sugar industry that these are the this is the boiler that we are making. Then it is approved. Then again, if it is a government order like Baba Atomic Research Center or any other place, then there is a central third party inspection. Inspector appointed, quality surveyor appointed from the that government party. So again he will check, and again the party will approve. If there are some design changes, what is the process used, what are the different, if you want to subcontract that all the machining is not possible at that particular firm, and again if you want to subcontract to any other firm related to some of the product, then you cannot take decision on your own as far as this NPCIL or these orders are concerned. We have to take approval from that particular company that we want to subcontract for this machining purpose to some of the small scale industries. Can we? And then you can proceed. So in the engineering phase, when drawings are made, when design are made, dimensions are finalized, process plan is made, a lot of interaction is there in this with the customer and the manufacturer in this particular make to order. Then manufacturer reports delivery schedule and price, and there is a discussion among the customer and producer. So friends, here manufacturers quote the delivery schedule. For example, one boiler is required. Now I am having order of 2 boilers and I am as the owner of the one of the company. So what I will say, these 2 boilers will get completed by this month and I want 3 months. So I will quote that this month in addition to that 3 months. So I will say that November, December, January. At the end of January, we will be in a position to deliver you a boiler. And what is the schedule and what is the cost associated with that boiler and what are the specifications that you will give, and then there is a discussion and we can say some I can say discussion related to this price bidding, you can say it will happen, and finally whatever the cost decided from the manufacturer side as well as the customer side, it will finalize based on the whatever quotations and then discussion related to price and related to delivery, and then finally, when the order is finalized, then the actual production starts. Capacity requirements, planning, and shop floor control are critical, and distribution is less complicated. See here, distribution, no any middle or other person is there. From the customer, from the manufacturer, directly to the customer. From this, you can take Thermax directly to one of the sugar factory, Indapur Sahakari Sarkar Karkhana. Whatever the boiler manufactured by them, it will directly given to Indapur. For example, I am giving whatever the tailor-made suitings or whatever if your shirt is there, directly it will be given to you. So it is no any we can say the warehouse and the distributor, sub-distributor, wholesaler, sub-wholesaler, reseller, retailer, like this, no any chain or like this is there. So distribution is less complicated, but the capacity requirement planning and shop floor control. See, this is non-standardized product. So as this product is non-standardized, friends, so the capacity requirement planning, whatever the capacity in terms of in terms of machinery and whatever the different tooling and jigs and fixtures required, and shop floor control, if there is some problem at some of the stages and what is required to be done and which type of labor is required to be get it done, accomplished, semi-skilled, highly skilled. So this capacity planning and shop floor control is somewhat critical in this make to order. If you take this stage in the last case, if you apply the same concept, make to stock, everything is finalized in make to stock. Your schedule is finalized, what you are manufacturing, it is finalized. So it is a chain type system, that continuous type production is there. Now there is no any problem, but in make to order, as per the order that the manufacturer is making the product. So here it is somewhat critical, but distribution is less complicated. This is about this, we have discussed about 2-3 examples make to order, and last, very simple, no much more discussion is required, is the case assemble to order. Case number 3, assemble to order. So here you can see just wait. So here assemble to order. This is the third type. We have discussed about make to stock. Then we have discussed what are the advantages, what are the limitations, and what are the situations where the make to stock is used and what are the characteristics. Then second, we have discussed make to order. What are the situations, what are the products, and when it is preferred. Now the third type is assemble to order. This is the third type. So here you can say assemble to order when the number of alternative combinations or options are available to customer and customer is not ready to wait until the product is made. So here you can say number of alternative combinations are available and many options are available to the customer, the customer will not wait. Example, automobiles, consumer electronics and computers. Manufacturers produce and stock standard component parts. When the customer places the order, the manufacturer does the assembly from the parts or components selected. So here you can say it is nothing but the assembly. So whatever the items are made, just assembly is required to be done. So alternative, there are many combinations available. Here manufacturer produce and stock the standard component parts. So here the standard component parts are already there. Just as per the order, manufacturer does the assembly. See here, assemble to order, not make to order, assemble to order. So here let us take one example. Automobile, the complete automobile you cannot take as the example, but you can say that whatever basic version or whatever the version of any automobile you take, then in that particular case, let us take the 4. So the basic model you will get, for example, at 5 lakhs, and the top model you will get at 7 or 8 lakhs. So in addition to it, there are some accessories available. It may be from the sound system, it may be from the your you can say different accessories available for that particular vehicle. Okay, so these are the, I can say, accessories with the automobile. So you will not get all the systems in that whatever basic model is there. You have to go for addition. Let us take example of 2-wheeler. So you will get the standardized bike. Okay, you want different type of horn, you have to replace it. You want some additional aesthetic or some different type of headlight or some indicator should have sound, something different. Then you have to go for a carrier. At, I can say in Marathi we can call it as a dicky आपण गाडीला लावतो ते. So separate carrier you can go for. Then separate stand you can go for having your bags, and separate their arrangement for helmet also. So these all will not come under your basic model or whatever your automobile is there. So you have to go for all addition. These are the some standard product. In addition to that, it is assembled. Now computers in previous days, now also that whatever computer. So if you anybody want to purchase any desktop and then CPU, then that CPU that person will offer you what you want. You want this much GB RAM, this much GB hard disk, and if you want any graphic card or no problem. So he will assemble. He may have the motherboard, the hard disk, and all the required parts. He will just assemble and he will give you whatever configuration required for it. And the customers are preferring. Customers saying that I want this motherboard of this, and then I want the mouse of this company and like this. So they will not prefer directly. So here we can say this is one of the example. Then again, sound system. So in previous days, ready-made sound system is one of the case, but other. So whatever your sound is there, sound system. So they are also built as per the requirement of customers. Then electronics parts. So many of the electronic parts as per the requirement. LEDs are there. So if you want some different decoration by using that LED, then some of the firm may say, okay, what you want, you give us. We will give you whatever your name written and the type of pattern and how lighting should be blinked. So like these are the some of the examples that electronics and computers and these accessories. So the basic things are available with that particular vendor or manufacturer or wholesaler or retailer. And when you will give order, just assembly is made and the final products will be given to you. So if you will demand any typical sports car, so it is not the case that the car is not available directly in market. So whatever the components required for the sports car, they are already built. But unless and until some demand is there, the car may cost at maybe you can say 1 crore, for example. So in this case, no one will go for this fair manufacturing only 1 crore car and it is make to stock like this. So again, assemble to order. So if after giving order, then whatever the standard parts are there, assembly is made and the product, final product is given to that particular customer. So this is assemble to order. Those parts are available only when requirement is there as per the requirement. The manufacturer does the assembly and the component is ready. Since the components are manufactured at stock, the only time needed before delivering to customer. So very less time is required. And the assembly to order system aims to combine the product customization, variety to make order system with low cost. See here. So if you want to go any standard product, so you have to purchase that complete product from one of the company. So if I want to take the same example, I will repeat. I want to go for this PC computer at my home. Then what I will prefer? I will prefer that it should have some specifications. Then the screen I will take from Dell or HP, and the other thing the Core i7 that is from Intel. Then the keyboard and the other things I will take from this I can say Lenovo. So this is the choice with. I can go for different whatever the best products available in the variety or range of that particular company. That I will choose and I will go ask that person to assemble. So this is assembly to order. The standard items are available. They will just give you. You will just have to put the order, and according to your order, whatever it is required is manufactured and it is given to you. So this is assemble to order. Maximum parts are ready and only assembly is done and it is given to that particular customer. So friends, now we have discussed make to stock, make to order and assemble to order. So this is the one chart which will give you a complete comparison of all this. Okay, if anybody is remaining to put the attendance in the chat box, please. Okay, so product range, make to stock, very low product range is there. I have given you idea that very less variety is available for make to stock. Make to order, very high variety. As the customer will give order, then and then only the manufacturer will go for fabrication, and then only the customer will get order. So here, make to order, a high product range can be there because order is given and then the product is expected to deliver. So high, you can say product range is available. Assemble to order, it is the medium to high. So it is in between make to stock and make to order. Production volume. So make to stock 1 lakh components of any particular pen. Make to order only 1 boiler or 2 boilers in 1 year, like this. So very low. And assemble to order, it is on the medium. So medium production volume is there. Lead time. Make to stock, very low lead time. Everything, all the processes are finalized, standardized. So very less time is required for this lead time. Is from start to end, very less time is required. The make to order, very high time is required. And assemble to order, medium lead time is required. Make to order, when the order you any company will get, after that the company will start manufacturing the product and then only the product will be delivered to customer. So very high time is lead time is required for make to order, and as an average in between medium time is required for assemble to order. Customer producer interface, make to stock, limited or no, very less. Make to order high at sales and design level. Customer producer interface is there in make to order. At the sales level, when there is negotiation and meeting, then the design level, it is very high. And assemble to order at sales level only, it is high. Handling of fluctuation in demand. Safety stock of product units. Planning of extra capacity and raw material stock. And planning of standard module parts. So here, handling of fluctuation in demand. What you can predict here? Safety stock of production units. So whatever stock is there, some safety safety stock. This always some stock will be maintained at the safe level, so that if fluctuation in demand is there, it should not hamper the our production. Then make to order. Planning of excess capacity and raw. If fluctuation is more, means suddenly order is increased and one more order you are getting, but you are not having the capacity, then we have to plan for excess capacity and excess raw material in stock, so that if fluctuation is there, that company or manufacturer can cope up with the situation. And then planning of standard module parts, assemble to order, planning for standard parts and just go for assembly. Basis of planning. Make to stock end item for costing, because they are not sold in between. Whatever the finished good is there, it will be sold only. Therefore, end item forecasting, what will be at the end, it will only forecasted. Make to order, backlogs and marketing intelligence report. And assemble to order, backlogs and trend analysis. So here, backlogs, some of the previous experience and some what is required in this case. Okay, so here, basis of planning, that make to order. What are the backlogs? What I am having my previous pending orders? What I require to go with that previous pending orders? And what is the history of that we are manufacturing now? And marketing intelligence report. What is the report from that marketing about that particular planning? And then assemble to order, backlogs, again the same thing, and trend analysis. What is the trend? How frequently it is required? And based on the trend, that planning is made. Inventory level. Make to stock, very high inventory level is required, because lot of products are manufactured and kept in stock. Okay, then make to order, very low. If only 3 items are required to be manufactured in 1 year, then very less inventory level, as far as the plates and other things are required, material is very less. And assemble to order, this is the major parts of inventory only, because the standard parts are available in the stock, and after that only assembly part is remaining. So here, assemble to order, so major parts in inventory only. Then the product category. So standard product with low cost, in make to stock, the products are standardized and the cost is also lesser. In make to order, the special product variety, I have given you idea, only one boiler with very high cost, good quality, only one support tank, 3 years for one item only. So like this, very special products as per special purpose machines, as per the requirement of the customer, very high cost. And assemble to order, it is a sub assembly, and again it will also go for high cost. So friends, this is the just I can say you the comparison of this, you can say make to stock, make to order, and assemble to order. And these are the different criteria that particulars, I can say product range, production volume, lead time, then customer producer interface, then handling of the fluctuation in the demand, then basis of planning, inventory control, and product category. These are the some of the pointers based on which the 3 systems are compared, and we have discussed the pointers about these 3 different systems. So this is about make to stock, make to order, and assemble to order. Now next, friends, it comes to the classification of production system. So now after this make to stock, make to order, and assemble to order, there are different classification system based on the volume of production and product standardization. So job order production, batch production, mass production, and continuous production. So related to this, we will discuss in next lecture. So today we have discussed about make to order and assemble to order, and at the end we have also discussed about the comparison for make to order and assemble to order. Thank you very